California. And Neama, I'm going to start with you because you live a mile away from where these raids took place. So A, what was that like? And B, I got to tell you, I'm listening to this response from Combs' attorney. No indictments came out today. No arrests happened, which sometimes we see when there's a big raid like this. Does his side have a point?
Jesse, good to see you. And you're right. I do live a mile away, and yesterday was crazy. We're talking about law enforcement presence, helicopters, street closures. I haven't seen anything like this in all the years I've lived in LA. Justin, I got to tell you, I know Aaron Dyer and used to work with him. I have a lot of respect for him. He's a great attorney, also a former assistant U.S. attorney. But I think his client is in over his head. We know the Southern District of New York, probably the most prestigious prosecutor's office in the country. They don't mess around.
Right.
A federal judge signed off on these 2 search warrants, and there's a lot of smoke here in those civil complaints. And the question I have is, should Diddy have settled that Cassie lawsuit before it was filed and not the day after?
And let's be clear, they are civil allegations. They're civil suits, right? It doesn't mean that they can't cooperate with investigators in this criminal case, if that's what's happening here. All right, I'm going to do something quick with everybody. Neama, I'll start with you. Do you expect criminal charges either against Diddy or any of his associates within the next week?
Absolutely. It's just a matter of days before an indictment is unsealed and he's arrested.
Tracy Walder, your take.
I completely agree with Neama. I think it's really just a matter of days, if not even hours, before we see an indictment handed down.
Misty, I mean, look, here's the thing, right? Why